Lego investors, Jeremy Stark here with Brick Finds and Flips. So I just wanted to introduce myself and what this channel is about. Ultimately, what I'd like to do is just help you find some good deals, know how to actually know if it's a good deal with Legos, because you can certainly buy Legos at any price and anything. Obviously, getting the best price for it is going to give you the best return on your investment. But this stuff is real. I do this full time. I do Lego investing pretty much as it's a full-time gig. However, it's only part-time hours for me. So I do have other things that I do as well, but it is a full-time income for most people. So it's something that anybody can do, whether you just want to start out as a really small investor, maybe to just get a few Legos and then maybe sell them locally so that you can use it to buy more Legos. That's how a lot of people get started. But I also want to give you the information if you ever wanted to make the jump from that and to really go into it a little bit further and a little bit deeper. Myself, I sell on all the online marketplaces, Amazon, eBay. I even do some local Facebook market stuff that I have somebody else do for me. But it's really just one of the things that I've been doing for quite some time, and I've really enjoyed. I want to help people out. I've done a few webinars as well, as far as teaching this. So this is not teaching this. I love teaching stuff like this, investing and just learning how to actually resell things, because that's really the tricky part too. So you need somebody to kind of help you sometimes. I know there's a large community of other Lego investors. I mean, I am not competing with them or anything. All of us kind of are in a community together, and I really like that community feel to it. I don't want to think of anybody as competition. So, always do your due diligence. Whether I say something, whether somebody else, another channel, another website, all these other things are going to be coming at you with different information. You have to be able to get all that information and do your due diligence to make sure that you're getting the best for yourself, because everybody's at different levels. Everybody's at different investment money, how much they can go in with things. So there's no really small, big, or anything as far as, somebody's going to know everything about all of it, because there isn't. Some, myself, I love Legos. I actually play with Legos. I have a bunch of Legos myself. So I do have a little bit of, that kind of in me as well, where I'm also, some of the sets that I really like. But I'm a very smart investor, so if there's something that doesn't make sense, I'm not going to buy it. So I believe in much data. The more data that you have, the better you are to make a decision. So I crunch numbers like crazy. I'm always looking at spreadsheets, looking at different tools, and all the other little things to help me to find the deals. And I would love to just help you and teach you how to do that. So let me just show you, because I don't want you to think I'm some fake guru guy. I want to at least show you like something you can see that I'm not in here just reading off a card or something. So let me take you down to one of my storage facilities. I thought I'd give you just a little sneak peek of one of my storage rooms of Legos. As you can see, it is pretty full on both sides. This is just one of them. I have another storage facility, and then I also have some inventory in Amazon. Then I also have, I started using a third-party fulfillment unit for some of the sets that are coming up that I know that are going to be sold soon, just to get them ready. Those are all prepped and ready to go. But just open up any of these boxes and you'll see, tons of Legos in here. Let's see, where else do we go? Go up here, we got some Legos in here. We got Legos everywhere. Let's see. What else? We got Legos in here. Let's open this up. Legos in here. I don't know if you can see that. But we got Legos everywhere, man. I just wanted to show you guys, because I don't want you guys thinking I'm some fake guru or somebody that just copied a bunch of stuff from somebody else and just not really doing it. I do this full time. This is well, I shouldn't say full-time. I do this part-time, but it is full-time, pretty much full-time income. But this is just stuff that you have to do. I mean, I don't have Legos on shelves. Well, I probably have some actually right behind you guys, but I don't have some fancy shelves to display all my sets on there because I keep them in boxes because I get too many of them to put on a shelf, and I just think that they can easily get ruined if something happens in your facility or wherever you storage. So I just keep it in a box, just a little extra layer. Plus, it's dusty in this area, so that's really just what I do. Great. I hope you got a nice look at my dusty little storage facility with tons and tons of boxes of Legos down there. That's just one of the places I have that I keep them. I have another big storage facility locally that I use. And then obviously I have some stuff in Amazon warehouses. And I also have another, a third-party shipment fulfillment company that I use as well. So those are all little things. You know, I'll help you guys out with that. I'm going to give you all some information on what I do, what works for me, you know, and some help for that. But just in case you're not really sure of what the, you know, what basically you want to see some numbers here. So let me take you right over into one of the software that I use to keep track of my inventory. All right, so one of the software that I recommend if you're really heavy in the Amazon FBA space, this software is called Inventory Labs. It does a great job. I don't really do much with it. I just plug in all my inventory cost, and then my accountant, my bookkeeper, just pulls all the numbers every month for me and does a nice little QuickBooks thing and everything. So I'd get that each and every month. But this should just give you an idea. Let me just pop in a different little screen here so I'm not blocking everything. So I just typed in Lego in here. I think I started with this software in 2016, 2015, I think. I don't know. It's been quite a number of years since this has been out. But before I started out, I did spreadsheets, and that's a really good way to start out if you can't really do this. But I mean, as you can see, I mean, these are just some of the Legos I've sold over the years, and the return on investment, how much I paid for them, you know, profit margins, all that stuff. The software does a great job. If you don't have it, you know, and you are a big Amazon seller and you want to keep track of your inventory, your bookkeeper and your accountant will really love it because this really gives them that number that they need for their COGS or your cost of goods sold. Now that you've seen some proof here, I just want to really extend myself to you guys. I'm going to come out with videos. I'm going to try to come out with at least 1 to 2 videos a week, if not more. I also have a website. It's called brickflips.com if you wanted to go check that out as well. We're just starting to put some articles out there. I mean, you know, I really have a passion for this, but I'm just, you know, getting everything started and everything. Also, I'm going to be doing a podcast as well where it's basically going to be from my videos. So if you're more of a listener and you don't want to actually watch a video but you want to listen to it, then my podcast will be perfect for you when I get that set up as well. And all that will be available. You can take a look at everything on my website, like I said, and I'll also have the links down and all these show notes and everything else with YouTube and all that stuff. So I look forward to helping you guys become Lego Vesters.